Here is problem number 3 from the Amatyc Student Math League competition, test number 2, that happened in winter of 2018. This is problem number 3. It says find the sum of all real solutions to this equation. Well, when I see this, I like to think about graphing this. I could plug it into my calculator, but I can probably graph it as fast as you can plug it into your calculator. The thing is, go all the way into the middle, 1 minus x. That's the line intercept at 1, right? But I don't want that. I want the absolute value of that. So all this negative comes up here, right? But I don't want that. I want minus that. So that's upside down. So this would be like this. Oh, but I don't really want that. I want it plus 2. So the 2 shifts it up 2. So this is up 2, right? And it looks like that. But oh, I don't want that. I want the absolute value of that. So all this negative stuff goes up like this. And I'm going to redraw it over here because it's starting to get confusing. So this was centered at 1 right here, right? This whole thing actually, I realize is going to be symmetric about x equals 1. So I'm going to move 1 in a little closer here. So I was currently looking at this thing that goes up to 2. So it looks like this. That's after taking that absolute value, but I want it upside down, so it goes down like this. But then that shifts up 3. Well, this down 2 actually shifts up to here. So, and this is up 2 from there, so it goes up as high as 3 now. I'm seeing 2 intercepts, although I'm not done yet. 3. Oh, but I need the absolute value of that, so that's going to turn those things upwards. But that's upside down, which means this whole thing is upside down. And then I'm going to shift it up 4. Well, notice that this only gets up as high as 3, so when it's upside down, it's only as low as -3. So when you shift it up 4, it's going to go past 0. And the only intercepts, so sorry, let's flip this upside down, right? So this is, and then shift it up 4 and then take the absolute value of that, it's going to have just the 2 intercepts. They're going to be over here somewhere and there. There's going to be 1 here and 1 there. The thing is, it's all centered about 1. This thing right here, it's centered at 1. I didn't draw it quite so well down here. So the 2 intercepts are going to be 1 minus some distance and 1 plus some distance. Those are the 2 intercepts. And what I want is I want the sum of them, the sum of all real solutions. I'm looking for intercepts because I'm looking for where that's equal to 0. So if I add those 2 up, the plus d and the minus d go away, and the answer is 2. The answer is E, 2. So problem number 3, answer is E.